Hello everyone and welcome again to channel. In this video I am going to share with you some sentences in English and Marathi. So please watch this video till the end. First sentence is मी तुला खरे सांगेन. मी तुला खरे सांगेन. I will tell you the truth. I will tell you the truth. मी 2 तास वाट पाहिली. मी 2 तास वाट पाहिली. I waited for 2 hours. I waited for 2 hours. आज मला खूप वेळ वाट पाहावी लागली. I had to wait long today. I had to wait long today. एखादी गोष्ट भूतकाळात करावी लागली यासाठी नेहमी had to वापरतात. had to आणि had to नंतर नेहमी क्रियापदाचे पहिले रूप वापरतात. त्यामुळे इथं आपण क्रियापदाचे पहिले रूप घेतले. तिला नोकरी सोडावी लागली. She had to leave the job. She had to leave the job. मी आजारी होते. मी आजारी होते. I was sick. I was sick. तुझा घाम पुस. तुझा घाम पुस. Wipe your sweat. Wipe your sweat. आजचा दिवस वाईट नव्हता. आजचा दिवस वाईट नव्हता. Today was not bad day. Today was not bad day. आज काहीच काम केले नाही. Today nothing did work. Today nothing did work. मरण आले तरी चालेल पण शरण जाणार नाही. मरण आले तरी चालेल पण शरण जाणार नाही. Would rather die than surrender. Would rather die than surrender. ती खूप स्वादिष्ट जेवण बनवते. She cooks delicious food. She cooks delicious food. इथे हात लावू नको. Don't touch here. Don't touch here. मी लगेच परत आले. I will back within few minutes. I will back within few minutes. तुला माझे नाव कसे माहित? How do you know my name? How do you know my name? तू काल कुठे होती? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? काल का नाही आली? Why didn't come yesterday? Why didn't come yesterday? तू काहीच सांगितले नाही. You nothing told. You nothing told. उठ मला तिथे बसू दे. Get up. Let me sit there. Get up. Let me sit there. ती खूप लाजाळू होती. ती खूप लाजाळू होती. She was very shy. She was very shy. मला तुला सांगायचे होते. मला तुला सांगायचे होते. I wanted to tell you. I wanted to tell you. माझ्या खाजगी आयुष्यात डोकावू नको. Don't peep in my private life. Don't peep in my private life. मला ते आवडत नाही. I dislike that. मला ते आवडत नाही. I dislike that. I dislike that. I don't like that. I don't like that. ही नोकरी सोडू नको. Don't leave this job. Don't leave this job. ही नोकरी सोड. Leave this job. Leave this job. तू इथे उभी राहा. तू इथे उभी राहा. You stand here. You stand here. तू इथे बस. तू इथे बस. You sit here. You sit here. ते रद्द कर. ते रद्द कर. Cancel that. Cancel that. तू नाही राहू शकत. You can't live. का नाही राहू शकत? Why can't live? Why can't live? जर ती राहू शकते तर मी का नाही? If she can live then why I can't? If she can live then why I can't? मला कमी लेखू नको. Don't underestimate me. Don't underestimate me. का बघत आहेस? Why are you gazing? Why are you gazing? अडचण अजून संपली नाही. Problem yet not solved. Problem yet not solved. सगळे व्यस्त आहेत. सगळे व्यस्त आहेत. All are busy. All are busy. थोडा वेळ बसा. Sit for a while. Sit for a while. उद्या मला कागदपत्रे पाठव. Send me document tomorrow. Send me document tomorrow. मी काय सांगितले लक्षात ठेव. Remember what I told. Remember what I told. Hearty thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you like this video, please thumbs up me. I will see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye and take care.